As the sun rises, its golden rays gently fill the sunrise room, illuminating every corner with natural light. Our bifold doors feature a full aluminum frame and tempered glass, folding and sliding smoothly for strength, durability, and ease of use. Seamlessly transforms your backyard, blending modern design with practicality for a stylish and functional outdoor space. Inside, the bifold tempered glass doors open fully, offering unobstructed views of the endless outdoor space. Control the sunlight and airflow with the adjustable louvered roof, enhancing comfort in any season. Sliding glass doors combine modern style and weather protection. The bifold door handle and lock, designed for smooth operation and security. As night falls, enjoy a cozy barbecue by the SunriseRoom, surrounded by elegance and comfort.